on wheel in Dauphine, and school children is crossing the road almost every day, on every evening, right? Everyone in Lincoln. And towards where we say it not right. Now we have a representative, we think it should be uplifted, and he should have done this before, right? And towards the road, you could see we're still right now, might it go? It's like a septic tank at staying right now in stop it. And I think we need some upliftment in towards Western George and Dauphine.
I've been there for a long time. And then afterwards I see somebody come and cut it off. And then from after that I see nobody come, they go fix it now, nothing. They just did it just the same way. And they say a man jump over there sometime.
Some tree may fall on some here go and damage some part of the bridge there, over there. So the railing then we mash up part of the railing mash up. So most of the time the bridge want to repair. They want to go see what go.
It was fixed because children go in school and it's kind of bad for them going to fall over. Trust me, need fixing as soon as possible. But it's dangerous for the kids and them. And the children always be all across, they're running up and down. Okay, they should carry it right across. Instead of with the short, they should carry it forward right across. But it needs fixing as soon as possible. It's dangerous for them kids, because the kids always run up and down and go fall over there.